Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on changing the closure system and handle of your Thermomix TM5. Let's get started with a list of the tools you'll need for this procedure. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. It's essential to have these tools on hand before we dive into the steps. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and completely cooled down. This is crucial for your safety. Begin by removing the base cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located at the corners of the base. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off and set it aside. Next, you will see the internal components. It's advisable to clean the interior gently with a soft cloth before proceeding. This not only helps in maintaining your device but also gives you a clearer view of the parts you're working on. Pay attention to any crumbs or residues that might have accumulated. Now, let's focus on the closure system. Locate the mechanism that holds the closure in place. There are 2 additional screws that secure this mechanism. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. As you do this, be careful not to drop the screws into the device. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. After removing the screws, you can gently pull out the closure mechanism. Take your new closure system and align it with the existing holes. Insert the screws back into place and tighten them securely. Moving on to the handle, you will need to replace it next. Locate the handle screws, which are usually covered by a plastic cap. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pop off the cap. This will expose the screws underneath. Remove these screws, and then carefully detach the handle from the device. Once the old handle is removed, take your new handle and align it correctly. Before securing it, ensure that it fits snugly into the designated slots. If you find that the handle is not fitting properly, it could be a sign that further adjustments are needed. In such cases, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the help you need without the hassle of calls and travel. Once the new handle is in place, replace the screws and ensure everything is tightened properly. It's important to check that both the closure system and handle are functioning smoothly before reassembling the base cover. To do this, manually operate the closure a few times to ensure it locks and releases correctly. Finally, replace the base cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the 4 screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tight, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the plastic. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the closure system and handle on your Thermomix TM5. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any step, remember we also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you have clarity on any service costs. Thank you for following this tutorial, and enjoy your fully functional Thermomix. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.